Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your active status on Messenger. So that means nobody will see that you are in online. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Messenger app from your Android phone or any other phone like iPhone. So you will see an exact interface like this, and after that normally you have to click on this menu bar and you have to click again this settings option. Scroll down a bit and here you will get an option active status. So choose this option and turn this off. And from here you can set it for a particular amount of time, or you can keep it until I change it. And from here choose pause, and that's it. Now you are hidden from your friends and nobody will message you and nobody will see that you are in online. And now you know how to hide your active status on Messenger. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.